We're here at the executive lounge of Marriott Clark, and I admit I really enjoy my stay here. And with me is
Miss Emma.
Miss Emma. Okay. Actually, I just bought a Club Marriott.
Club Marriott membership.
And for sure, I will enjoy the benefits of the dining, which is 30% discount with all my family. And also the discount for the rooms and free overnight. Anyway, that's a different vlog, but this time I'd like to share my experiences, no, here at the Marriott Clark. All right. Alam mo, Emma, ang ganda ng binigay sa aking kwarto. It's a very big suite room, no? Talagang I was totally amazed. Most of the suite room na binibigay sa akin are not that big. Lahat ba ng suite room nyo rito malalaki?
Yes.
They're all the same in size?
It depends on the, you know, where the location of the rooms itself.
So
yeah.
Iba-ibang cut.
Yeah, iba-ibang cut.
They're not all the same. Yeah, but anyway.
But usually the cut that you have, the size that you have, it's like proportionally like same, but in different locations, in every different view.
Okay, that's why I was talking about the rooms, because you will be showing, I will be showing on the video right now while we're talking how big our room is, and also with the big toilet, with the big bed, and a very nice view, and of course, being a Marriott Platinum, I was given so many amenities, you know. Yung amenities nyo, tsokolate. Binigyan ako ng tsokolate. Tapos, yung room kompleto, pati sa mga coffee. Dalawang klaseng coffee, no? Meron kang pang-brewed at meron kang ordinary coffee.
Yes.
Okay, so enough about the rooms. And nakunan ko yung swimming pool gabi na eh. It was overlooking the...
At your room?
Yeah, no, it was overlooking the Swiss Hotel.
Yeah.
Okay? So, ang maganda, nakita ko, meron din siyang parang room, meron din siyang parang swimming pool for kids, or lahat yun, pareho lang ang
meron,
ang
sir. Meron.
Meron din kiddie pool, hindi ko kasi makita gabi kasi.
But I think on the adult one, meron din siya sa pinaka, yung adult sa bata.
I see. But one thing I like is, meron siyang alam mo kasi very passionate ako sa billiards. Meron siyang pool table at meron siyang bar.
Yes.
No? Ang ganda. Okay.
You can enjoy during the day, especially humid time, humid
correct.
Day, summer.
And then also, I went around, maganda yung mga restaurants nyo.
Of course, this is one of the 5-star.
Yeah. Alam mo, I just wanted to eat dun sana sa, ano ba pangalan ng restaurant nyo dun sa baba? Goji?
Goji, yeah.
Goji. What does Goji mean?
This offers an international buffet, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, where you can enjoy your discount right now. Yeah, once it is activated, you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As we discussed earlier, that one guest, minimum of 2 packs, maximum of 20 packs.
Correct. No, but what I'm saying, anong ibig sabihin ng Goji? Would you know?
I think that Goji is a Japanese word. Yeah. Sorry,
Oh, sige.
I will research that
anyway,
for you, sir.
meron pang isang magandang restaurant kayo sa may
Wuxing.
Saan?
Wuxing. When you enter Goji, this is on the right side, and the left side is Wuxing. That's for Chinese.
Yeah. Yes. Doon masarap kumain ng, was that a Beijing duck, a Peking duck,
yes,
or a roasted duck?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, pero you don't know what kind of duck was that kasi mahilig ako sa duck eh. But anyway, so now that I'm a member, I can get 30% discount together with my
Exactly.
friends.
Yes, sir.
Wow, ang galing. Now, there's another restaurant sa may, ano ba pangalan nun? Sa may,
Upper floor.
upper
Higher
floors.
floor.
Ano pangalan nun?
Smoky Moto.
Smoky Moto. Alam mo, next time I come back,
Yes.
with the discount I bought from you, yung Marriott, anong tawag doon? Club Marriott, I can avail of 30% discount. Yung favorite na nakita ko doon, they have teppanyaki, and they also have my favorite, which is the tenderloin. Medyo may kamahalan kasi siyempre 5-star hotel. It's 4,000, so less 30%. Panalo na.
Yes.
Alam mo bakit? Malaki yung cut. The regular cut of tenderloin in a restaurant, normally it's only 200. Ito ang cut niya is 300 grams. Masarap.
At least
Masarap
you
ang
do enjoy
tenderloin.
the night,
Oo.
sir.
Yes, and that's Australian. At meron din siyang Wagyu eh.
Yes.
Yeah, pero sa akin, basta tenderloin. Wag lang local tenderloin. Okay na. Okay, so, and then the next part is, the reason why I love to enjoy the hotels is because I love to work out. Okay? Maganda yung gym nyo. At yung gym nyo, 24 hours. No?
That is one of the best amenities that you can
Correct,
enjoy
correct,
during
correct.
your
And
stay.
then also, my wife can do yoga kasi meron siyang yoga doon. And then, right beside the gym is the spa.
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo, yung spa, sa 5-star hotel, medyo may kamahalan. But you give discount, right? How much discount? Sa spa?
20%.
20%. Oh. Well, siguro one of these days I'm gonna try.
Of course, sir.
Meron
Come
ba
back.
siyang ano ron? Meron ba siyang tinatawag na couples room? Kung kami dalawa mag-asawa?
You should request from the guest.
Oh, sige.
Yes.
So I'm gonna try out everything. Ganda pala ng lounge nyo. First time akong magla-lounge. Oo. Ganda pala. Nice lounge. Kailangan pala madalas ako magpunta ng Pampanga. Oo. Very nice. At saka comfortable yung mga ano niya, sofa. Ayun, may meeting room pa doon sa loob. Wow. Ganda pala ito. At may view pa. Ayun may view pa doon. Ayun, may meeting room doon. Mukhang nagiinuman lang. Maganda itong kanyang lounge. Yes. Next time. Madalas na akong pupunta rito sa lounge na to. Yan, tingnan natin yung view. Oh, golf course view. Now let's check on the food. Dito, gusto mo ng view, meron siyang parang bar stools. Oh, wow. Pagka ganito mga lounge, you don't have to eat dinner anymore. Sa dami ng mga food nila. Ayan, imagine, meron siyang salad. So much bread. Wow. Ito si chef. May to order ba yan? May to order? O, anong pangalan ng noodles mo?
Stir-fry noodles.
Stir-fry noodles. May kasamang may kasamang shrimp.
Yes.
O, siyempre, nakakaya naman sa'yo kung hindi natin tatry yan, Yan si chef ng Marriott. Yan. May sikreto pala yung paggawa niya, Mukhang yum-yum yan, Mukhang napakasarap yan. Ha?
Tastes good.
Yeah. Good for ilan yan? Pangmaramihan yan. Ha? Hindi kaya ng isang tao yan. Okay. Sige, kukuha ko yan. Balik ulit kay chef. Ayan, Galing. Smiling face pa si chef. Chili crab. Oh, wow. Chili crab. Galing. Okay pala. Dapat matagal na akong nagpunta rito. Bakit ngayon lang? Ayun, mga alak. Yan ang gusto ko. Eto, drink all you can. Okay. Anong kukunin mo yung drinks, Berna? White wine?
Yes.
Yan. Wow. Ako, gin tonic na double.
Okay.
Yan. Ano pangalan mo?
Christine po.
Christine. Yan, smiling face si Christine. Oh, ako Christine, alam mo na ha.
Gin tonic po.
Yeah, double ha, para madali malasing. Okay. So, saan tayo, Mama Berna? Ito. Dito pala. Ito napili niya. Nandiyan na yung wine ni Berna. With ambience. Imagine, during happy hour. Drink all you can beer. Drink all you can white wine. Lahat. Pwede. Wow. Hot food. Mukhang masarap. Ito naman, dessert. Naku. Patay na naman ang sugar ko dito sa dessert. Share na tayo, Berna. Share na tayo riyan. Kuha ka ng marami, share na tayo. O, sige. Kuha mo na rin ako. Lagyan mo ng limang shrimp. Yan. Yan. Kaninang palinuluto yan, eh, no? 5 shrimps. Yan. 5 pieces. Para masarap. Thank you. Ayos. Salamat. Yes. Salamat, ha?
Thank you po.
Okay. Aba, masarap na, oh. Wow, look at this.
Choices lang po talaga sa Goji.
Sa Goji.
Yes po. But here po naman may mga hot dishes po. May mga breakfast po like sausage.
Pero mas maganda dito kasi sinisilbihan ka dito, eh. Di ba? Doon, di ka sisilbihan doon, di ba? Oo, marami nga pagkain pero hindi ka sisilbihan.
But here, sir, style buffet din naman po siya. But same setup.
Okay. Sige.
Okay
Thank
po.
you. Berna, cheers to the good life. Oh, cheers to the good life, Mama Berna. Yes. Okay. Ano bang makikita mo dyan? Yan, yung golf course, oh. Ayun. Oh, medyo naulan na. Golf course nga. Ano to? Mimosa? Mimosa nga siguro, no? Okay, we're also member of Accor, so we can also use Swiss Hotel. Ayan, nasa kanan lang yung Swiss Hotel. Okay, thanks for watching The Good Life here at the Marriott Clark.
Hi guys, if you want this kind of benefit, you can contact sir, and sir can also forward the numbers.
No, ikaw ko kontakin diretso na muna.
It's better to have you, sir, so that we can have a connection that based on your experience.
No, it's okay. Basta bibigyan mo naman sa akin yung benefits ko na free lunch, di ba?
Yes.
May commission ako free lunch. Alright.
Okay, enjoy your stay the rest of the day.
Binigay mo yung pangalan mo?
Yes.
Emma?
Yeah, this is Emma. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Yeah, Emma,
the rest of the
dito
day.
sa Clark. Niyo siya ko contact. Okay.
Thank
Make
you.
sure I get to meet you here in
Again.
Club Marriott Clark.
Again.
Goodbye.